Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your Gotv IUC number. So whenever you are experiencing some difficulties on your decoder, or you are to sign up or register on the Gotv app, or you are to just do some activation with your Gotv decoder, they're going to request for the IUC number of your decoder, and they normally place this IUC number at the back of your decoder. They used to place a white sticker over there that have the IUC number and the serial number over there, so you need to check it over there, but maybe it has faded off or you can't find it over there. All you have to do is to pick up your remotes and you press on the green button on your remote, which is the Gotv logo, and it's going to take you to the Gotv menu. Use the arrow top and down keys and then look for information central. So you find it and then you press OK on it. So on this page, on the first on the list, we have the IUC number of your decoder over there. So that's where exactly you need to find the IUC number of your decoder. So that was it. If this video has been helpful, all you have to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, you share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.